Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV. We click on settings. In this page here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here of apps, you will search about the application of Pluto TV and we click here. In this window of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.